Welcome to Pallet, Jackin.
What is up, guys? TJ Napier here today with another fresh episode of Pallet Jackin. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about Amazon and gated categories. So, I've been gated in a lot of categories. I mean, there's not a lot of categories that are gated, but there are a lot of companies that do gate their products from being sold on Amazon. So basically what a gated category is, you are excluded as a seller to sell in certain categories or selling certain products unless the manufacturer says that you can sell them new. And if you don't sell them new, you're going to be stuck at the bottom, down there at the little
With
print.
the small fine print down there that no one ever sees.
Yeah, and you don't want, ain't nobody got time for that. So today we're going to jump into the computer. We're going to show you exactly what we're talking about in terms of being gated and getting ungated. One of the big things that I wanted to talk about was it's not as scary as it used to be. To get ungated, you used to have to go in and they want you to show like a lot of invoices, and they say, you got to have 3 invoices from 3 different places saying that you're getting this product shipped to you from the manufacturer. And now it's just pretty much simple as just clicking
the button.
Yeah, saying I want to be approved.
Yeah.
So like I said, we're going to jump into the computer.
Yeah.
Here we go. All right, so we are now in the Amazon Sellers Central page, and I'm going to kind of show you what we got here. So if you were to try to sell this item, which is, what is it?
The Get Fit Pro.
Yeah, Get Fit Baseball, whatever it is. It's that brand, this Get Fit Pro. It'll say, it'll pop up on here and it'll say listing limitations. So you click on that and it'll say, okay, you can sell it in new, collectible, or used condition, but you cannot sell it in refurbished condition. So if we want to sell this, we can click on that and it will automatically allow us to post this product. All right, so if you got to, let's just say you had an Apple iPad or something. So, or let's just say it's Apple Pencil. So if you clicked on that, it says you are not approved to list in this product category. Since you're not approved to list in this category, you'll need to contact the brand owner to become an authorized seller of this product. So for the most part, Apple is a big company and they won't allow you to sell products on Amazon to compete with them. So like you can go down here to iPad 2 2nd generation. It won't let you approve. It won't approve anybody unless you actually contact Apple and say that you want to sell them that thing. Now, if you go to another company here, this is a company that we had some cell phone cases. And we went on here to list those, and they wanted us to request approval. So if I click on that, it says you need approval to sell other Tech 21 branded products in new, used, and refurbished collectible conditions. Now, if Amazon allows me, sometimes they will approve it. What does it say?
It just says your application has been approved. It's automatic. So, and if it doesn't, then if it doesn't automatically approve it, then it'll give you a list of items that you need. So for this one, you need at least one purchase invoice from a manufacturer.
And then, or you can have a letter from Tech 21 authorizing you to sell their products. Now, don't be afraid to, if you really want to sell this product, reach out to this company. Send them a letter, with your company letterhead or an email. Find out who it is. Send them, say, hey, I got 100 of these cases. I would like to sell them on Amazon. I won't be, I'll be competing with you, but I won't be competing with you. I'll be at the same price that you're selling them at, or higher. And they may come back and say, hey, you can sell this product. Don't be afraid to do that just because you see this. We didn't do it because we just listed them on eBay. Yeah. Right. So it wasn't that big of a deal for us to do that. So if you were to click on that, sometimes actually about I'm saying 80%, 90% of the ones that we clicked on, it automatically approved us as soon as we clicked on that. So let me go through here and see a couple of brands that had approved us. I'm pretty sure this Victor brand, I had to get approval for that. They approved us to sell that. It was another one, Pure Gear.
That Casemate too, didn't.
Which one is that?
That one.
This right here, yeah, the Casemate. We had to get approval to selling that, and they approved us to selling that. So, you know, we said all this to say it's not that big a deal.
Yeah, it's not impossible. Especially if you have a good seller's rating with Amazon, they might just go ahead and approve you. And like I said, if you click the button to get approved, the worst they can say is no, and then it's not a ding against you. Yeah, and it's not gonna automatically. If you need extra documentation, it's gonna tell you that before it says yes or no.
Right.
Or it's just gonna automatically approve you. It's not gonna just be like, oh, you're not approved.
Yep. Now they used to back in the day, you would click that approval button and you wouldn't know what you needed to send until you clicked it, and then they would actually disapprove your application, and then you would have to wait 90 days.
Okay.
So I think they got away from that, where you can just now go in and just submit an approval, and they tell you, hey, before you want to request approval, so you click on that, and then say, okay, in order to request approval, you need either one of these.
Right.
So if you don't, you know, there would be no point in you clicking that if you didn't have either one of those things.
Right.
I mean, obviously, you're going to be automatically disapproved if you click on that and you didn't have either one of those two documents.
Right.
So that is really going to be it for today, guys. I hope you got some value out of that. If you like these types of videos, like, share, and subscribe. What's the website?
Pallet Jackin.
www.palletjackin.com. Also facebook.com/Pallet Jackin. That's with no G. Pallet Jackin. If you want to view what we got, make a purchase, just send us some love, anything. Come over there, like the page, send us a comment, and we will greatly appreciate it.
Yep.
See you guys on the next one.
Bye.